everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And I have another not an unboxing, a reveal for you since I've already unboxed it. Anybody want to guess what it is down below? Did I get something off my wish list for 2024? Did I stray from that and get something else? Yeah, just take a guess down in the comments down below if you want. But by the time you're done watching this, you're going to know what it is. So I got pretty excited about this. This is something that was not on my wish list, but it almost made it to my wish list.
I'm going to guess it's not on your wish list?
No, it's not on my wish list.
I'm so good.
I just said it wasn't.
Oh, no, that was my guess before that.
Oh, was it? Okay. All right. And but it's something that I definitely wanted. It was really close to being on my wish list, but there was another bag from this brand that was already on my wish list. So, and I only have one bag from this brand right now. Currently, it's my bag of the day, and I don't have it upstairs here with me. I'm filming in the upstairs of my house, and so I can't show it to you. But this just came up, and I absolutely love the colors. And the price was a steal, and so I decided to get it. No, I didn't steal it.
Oh.
But it feels like stealing because the price was so good.
So you have a Roundy's plastic bag downstairs. Is this a Roundy's paper bag up here?
No.
Oh.
No. It's from the Real.
Oh, no.
And it was not listed in, I think it was listed in good or very good condition. I am really pleased with the condition of it. And so I believe this is considered the small, but I could be wrong.
Large.
Yeah, I got a Fendi Peekaboo, and this, so I love the blue to begin with. I don't have anything else like that, and there's nothing in my collection like this blue. And then it does a little smile, and look at the interior. It's like fuchsia pink. It is just awesome.
It comes off as a little more purple on the camera.
Yeah, it is pink. It is fuchsia pink. It is, well, similar.
No, I meant the bag itself, sorry.
Oh, yeah, sorry. The bag is blue. Kind of bluish purple. Sorry, so, okay, the fuchsia is fuchsia. Yeah, it's kind of a bluish, like a periwinkle. I would say periwinkle is a pretty good color to call it. So, I really, honestly, was not familiar with the Peekaboo much at all. I knew, I've seen people unbox them, and I think they look cool, but I just didn't know that much about them. Winnie did her reveal of that pink Peekaboo with the green handle. I'll link her video in the description box down below. And it got me thinking about, why didn't I put a Peekaboo on my list? I don't have a Peekaboo. I know I want a Peekaboo. So I started looking, and this one came up, and I would say there's a little bit of, well, actually not really here. The hardware is two-toned. It's silver and gold.
Silver
yeah.
and gold.
There's one little mark here, which I could care less about. It has 5 nice feet on the bottom. There is a little bit of wear on the lining. You can see it right here. Oh, that might have been the bad spot. And, oh, a little bit right here. But I'm going to get some leather paint and just fix that up. And I could care less about that. I mean, really, what difference does it make? The stitching is all absolutely perfect. I've been over the whole bag to check. There's no pop stitches. Nothing popped even by where there's some of the black is worn off. So you can carry this. And, like, I love that this is already kind of, bend down. So you can just see the little peak.
Droopy.
Yes, it's called a smile.
Oh.
And so it comes with an adjustable, removable leather strap. Now, the strap has silver hardware on it. Almost like a gunmetal, but so not quite completely silver, but yeah, I would say close to a gunmetal. And then set that down. The interior, this side at least has a big compartment, and then a zipper pocket with the Fendi logo down below. And then you can turn it over, or turn it around, however you want to call it, and open it back up. And then this side is just a full pocket. Look at my cameraman getting right up and in there. And it's really cool because the metal bar even has, the metal bars like that gunmetal, and then it has, the screws are gold. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I just thought this was really cool. I see my real tag in there.
So put the strap on, see if it's a shoulder or if you can do cross body.
Oh my gosh, listen to him.
Just trying to help you.
I appreciate that. So, let's see. Assuming the straps go on here. Right, yep.
There's nothing on the ends.
I'm not sure how this operates.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to put you on the spot.
I think it goes
Yes,
on.
I did.
Yeah, it has. You did. I heard that this time. So just, they click on like this. Okay. So right now.
Wow, that bad boy can really get long.
Yeah, I was going to say it's pretty high up. But let's see how low it can go.
How low it can go.
Let's see. I'm going to put this on the last strap, the last notch. We'll see what happens here.
It looks like a Mongo strap.
Oh, gosh, yeah. Look at this, baby. That is definitely something you can cross body.
Heck yeah.
So, definitely can cross body it. Or not, because the holes go all the way to here.
Wow.
So that's got to be over a foot. Like you could, otherwise it'd be more like this, like a shoulder bag, but the handles would kind of get in the way, might get in the way of doing it. Yeah, you could just about do it as a shoulder bag that way. But
you could almost do it as a shoulder bag with just the regular handle.
Yeah, except for mine would be more like crook of the arm.
Gotcha.
I don't.
No.
No. So, let's see. There's no outside pockets. Looks like you can undo these through these little buttons here. And I don't like undoing these kind because they're the kind that go through the circle that goes through the little slot. So I'm not going to do that. So, yeah, you can have either side facing out. And then just to give you a little bit of reference, I had no idea for sure how big this would be. Yes, I know the measurements were in the description. But I get a general idea, but not exactly sure when I see that. So, like, this kind of compares to me. It reminds me of, like, the size of my medium Dior. Now, when I look at this, it's actually bigger than the Dior.
And that's considered a small?
I believe so, yes. And then this is a medium Dior.
Right.
Maybe it's a medium Fendi, but these Fendi bags get really big. So, I didn't want one too big, but, yeah, I would say it's a little bit bigger than my, Dior, but, you know, then again, is it as wide? It's probably pretty close.
Yeah.
Only it just kind of well, so does this get thinner as it goes up. So,
seems taller too.
yeah, I like that. And then again, I was hoping it was kind of close to this. Look at these guys could go out on a date and they'd be like, oh, look at this. Look at me. I'm matching my girl. No, okay, so that would be insinuating this is a boy, and I don't know if it is yet. So, if you look at this is a mulberry tote that I really like.
You can usually tell underneath.
Underneath what?
But
Oh, God. I walked right into that one. So this one, I would say, is a little shorter. I mean, not quite as long, not quite as tall. But I would say it's definitely got as much width as it does. So, yeah, I mean, just to get an idea of how big this is. Again, because I've never seen a Fendi bag in person other than the one other one I own, which is a Mama Baguette. Let's see another one some people might have here. Here's the Louis Vuitton, like, blown, I'm not sure how to say it, bag. So this one, again.
Pronounced baloney.
It is not. The Fendi is wider or long, you know, longer this way, definitely taller, and definitely thicker. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a nice size bag. It's got, the one thing I always thought about the Celine Nano totes, just to grab one, is that they were just a hair too small for me. And, yeah, looks...
From one face bag to another.
Whatever. Yeah, smile and smile. So, you see there's definitely more room here than this, and again, widths are probably a little bigger in the Fendi, but they are nice and thick on the Celine. So when these seemed a little too small, I went to the Mulberry. Mulberry's got plenty of room in it, and I would say this is definitely going to have plenty of room in it. I think you could take everything and the kitchen sink. Okay, maybe not as much as with an Everfull, but quite a bit. So I am pleased as punch with this. I just think it's the coolest thing ever. Now a regular baguette is definitely popping up higher on the list.
So this wish list thing, it's just, you just keep adding to it willy-nilly over the year, don't you?
Well, no, I buy things that aren't on the wish list is how it works.
Oh, and then later you get the wish list. Gotcha.
Right, because actually, you know, I have 2 more things that I'm going to show in the next probably video, and they aren't on the wish list either.
Oh my gosh.
But
I'm going to have to get earplugs and blinders.
I know someone brought, Sandy brought up that it might not be a bad idea for you to have a set of earplugs, and I can just have you put them on when I'm doing some of these refills. Although, yes, you would need blinders too.
The videos would be like this.
Right. I'm over here. I'll poke you with a stick. But no, so this is my new Fendi Peekaboo. I know I want to keep the one side down so it keeps on. Let's see which one goes down more. They'll have to fight to see who goes down. I think this side maybe. But
probably the side with the zipper.
I want to keep it. Actually, it's the other side that looks like it's going down more. But yeah, I just want to show you this. I just think it's awesome. This was under $700 for an all leather bag.
So basically 1/10 of the price new?
Yeah, new. They're around $6,000 or $7,000 now this size. So I would say definitely buy used. I am super, super happy with this. I think it's a gorgeous bag. If you have any questions about it, let me know. Please leave comments down in the comments down below. I absolutely love when you do that. It lets me interact with you all a little bit and get to know you all a little bit more. Like I love the earplugs comment. And yes. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Just looking to grow my channel. I really appreciate the people that are here, but also would not mind some new subscribers. You can hit the little bell notification that lets you know every time I put up a video. Generally, I'm putting up videos now on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Ooh, I'll get that right. And if you haven't found me already on Instagram, you can find me over there. I usually post over there about once a week, kind of what's my bag of the week and what's in my bag kind of posts. I'm over there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Subscribers are like the sunshine and the water for the channel as they help it grow.